In daily repair work, whether it's a simple screen and battery replacement or high-temperature soldering, we all need to open the phone. How to open the phone safely and efficiently has always been a hot topic. The traditional way of opening a phone is to use a hot air gun for preheating, which is time-consuming and hard to achieve even heating. After heating, the strength of lifting the screen by the suction cup is tough to control. If you are not skilled enough, you can easily break the flex cables. Apple has recently launched its self-service opening tools, including the heated display removal fixture. The tool is not only big and hefty but also expensive. Today we will introduce the latest REFOX phone opening solution. In the first place, we use the heat mat to heat the phone. Set the temperature to 80 degrees Celsius. We measure that it only takes about 5 minutes to heat up to 80 degrees Celsius. Compared with the hot air gun, the heat mat heats up fast with even heating to soften the adhesive quickly. The temperature variation between the front and back of the heating area is about 20 degrees Celsius, so there is no need to worry about burning to the working table. Next, we place the phone back down on the heating mat for 1 minute. After heating, we use the opening tool to open the phone. For starters, we turn the dial on the right to the top. Then lift the upper body of the opener and place the phone on the suction cup. The suction is strong and the phone is firmly attached. We can see that the opening area is covered with protective foam padding and there is even a camera groove. It can keep your phone safe and scratch-free during operation. The next step is to place the back down on the opening area. For different sizes of phones, we can adjust the left dial to attach the phone. As the phone is attached, lower the upper body and suction cup on the phone. Then we fasten the suction up and rotate the right dial to lift the display. To prevent breaking the flex cable, please stop rotating when the angle between the screen and back housing is 15 degrees. Compared to the suction cup, the strength of the opening tool is easier to control for lifting the display, thus lowering the risk of breaking the display or flex cable. Other than the opening area, the tool features a pressing area. After the repair is complete, turn the dial to keep the screen or back cover firmly in place with the adhesive. To sum up, the latest REFOX phone opening solution boasts high efficiency and safety. It is suitable for opening both Android phones and Apple's iPhone, keeping your daily repairs safe and efficient. Currently, there is free shipping for the opening toolkit on REWA shop. Please feel free to leave a comment or contact our account managers if you are interested.